What's the U.S. found so far?
Well, it's still too early to tell what the impact is going to be, but you have economists like HSBC flagging the mother of all shocks to supply chains if China continues on with this COVID strategy, does extend these bottlenecks further and lead to more inflationary pressures. But the Biden administration at this point is taking no chances. They're actually mining contacts in China right now to really get a better gauge of what is going on the ground and tracking the virus's spread on the mainland. What they're seeing right now is this early kind of detection system that was put in place at the start when the Delta variant emerged last year. And it really helped in terms of improving the federal government's way of watching where this virus spreads. And it's not just information on collecting data on air freights, also when it comes to what private enterprises are saying on the ground as they talk to their suppliers. And so that information is basically shared in this system, and they get this early detection when there are any potential delays. So you have this system in place. We'll see what really the impact is going to be at this point. But this, as we continue to see when it comes to China, they are continuing on this mass testing blitz right now as Omicron continues to spread. What we're hearing so far in the last 24 hours is that now residents in the southern city of Guangzhou who received overseas mail in the mid-January, a few days, as we track this latest infection, now have to be tested. Now, when it comes to Guangzhou, they haven't found any Omicron cases yet, but there is concern after we saw that outbreak in Shenzhen. So you have this kind of growing speculation in China right now that it is overseas mail that could be contaminated by COVID that's seeping into its tight borders and leading to this spread in the mainland. You had some cases of people that worked in cold storage that may have led to this outbreak. Of course, at this point, you take a look at the WHO, what health officials are saying, they're still downplaying this source of transmission, but that is what we're hearing so far on the ground in China.